Hello, everyone. Just was asked to go over one of the programs our sixth grade math department is using, and it is called AssistMents. Great way to assign math content. And if you look at the screen, all you have to do is do a search for AssistMents, and you will be asked to make an account. Once you make the account, then you can go to this screen where it says Explore Content. Typically, we go to open up resources 6 through 8. At this point, you'll see grade 6, grade 7, grade 8. I will go into grade 6. It brings up all the units for the regular 6th grade math program. We are currently in Unit 1, so I'll start Unit 1. At this point, you can see practice problems, cool downs, and student-facing tasks. So let's just say I want to assign practice problems. I'll click that. Then it takes you to each lesson. And if I go to lesson 6, it brings me up all the practice problems from the workbook. So at this point, I can have an opportunity to select all the problems, or I can select each problem individually. As I go down, I can select each problem I want. If I want just a couple of them, I can select a couple of them. If I want all of them, I can select all of them. So all I do is go click through all of those. And then you have a section where it says Assign to Google Classroom. Once you're done selecting the ones you have, you just click Assign to Google Classroom, and then it will be posted to the classrooms that you have selected. The students will then go work on the problems, and once they work on the problems, then when they're finished, you can get a screen that has already graded the problems. So for instance, I will pull up one of the assessments. So it'll look like this on your Google Classroom. I did a cool down, so I'll select that particular tab. And it says assignment report. So in the assignment report, you get the average score, common wrong answers. It gives you information about each problem. So it's a very easy tool to assign work. It's a very easy tool to have it graded for you and be put into your Google Classroom automatically. And a good way to analyze data based on what your results are. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Take care.